Washington. Donald Trump's political operation helped pay legal costs for more than a dozen people contacted by prosecutors investigating the former president, tying up millions of dollars that could otherwise have been used for his 2024 White House bid. Based on interviews and court records and campaign finance disclosures, identified 13 potential witnesses or defendants represented by law firms that received payments from a political group led by Trump. They were disclosed in campaign finance reports as general payments to law firms rather than specific to individuals. Those law firms, including Brand Woodward, DeHillen Law Group and Greenberg Traurig, received $2.1 million in the first 6 months of this year from Save America, a Trump group that is separate from Trump's campaign but has played a major role in fundraising. Took too much money. We support him as a frontrunner for the 2024 Republican nomination. The funds represent a significant portion of more than $21 million that Save America's filings with the Federal Election Commission show were spent on legal expenses during that period. This amount could grow significantly if it continues to pay legal expenses, which is expected to bubble within group. Some legal experts say campaign finance rules allow Save America to spend on Trump-related bills because the group is registered as a leadership committee and faces few restrictions on spending. But others say prosecutors could examine the payments to see if there was any effort to influence the witness testimony. 4 lawyers and legal experts consulted by said Trump's defense in 4 criminal investigations could cost more than $50 million. That's Trump's campaign and its biggest ally. Super PAC. Make America Great Again Inc. More than entire money collected by company in first half of this year. MAGA Inc. America's spending on Trump's legal problems could alienate some voters. A Ipsos poll in August found that nearly 60% of Republicans thought it was appropriate for Trump to spend political donations on legal issues. But 40% thought it was inappropriate, as its legal spending ramped up earlier this year. Save America clawed back about $12 million of the nearly $60 million it gave to MAGA Inc., which spent heavily on television ads supporting Trump, according to financial disclosures filed by Save America with federal elections. Jason Osborne, who advised Trump's 2016 presidential campaign, said bills could cause Trump to become more reliant on other allied groups, such as Republican Party, to cover costs of former president's election efforts. This will have an impact, Osborne said. Could not confirm how much Save America spent on Trump's own lawyers or the legal fees of witnesses and other defendants. Save America's Federal Election Commission records show what were described as legal expenses accelerated earlier this year as prosecutors took action against Trump. Could not confirm whether other Trump associates, Bayan,